Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So this is just another raw modeling video. I'm going to be probably making plenty of mistakes and taking my time trying to make sure I do this right. We're going to be just doing a basic CAD model in SolidWorks and then doing it in Fusion360. And we're actually going to be making this guy. Not the best drafting file that I found online, but it will do. There are a few areas that I actually, just looking at it for some time, I'm still not quite sure where the proper dimensions are, and so I may be making some assumptions on a few things here and there, such as this little chamfer on the edge and where the center point actually is. And so some of you may actually be able to find that and see that better than I will, but I'm just going to go for it. Okay, so yep, so just finished just sketching that out. If you want to see my personal opinions of going through both of these programs, definitely check out the shorter, kind of more concise video if you haven't already. This has definitely been really kind of fun. You may have noticed I took a lot longer on SolidWorks. Part of it was just me figuring out the process. Once I had that figured out, Fusion360 was a little quicker. But again, if you want to see that review, check out the other video, which I will plop that down somewhere, a link to that video, I don't know, somewhere right here or so. But yep, kind of fun. Thanks for watching. I will talk to you guys next time. Keep modeling. We'll see you. Bye.